Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You cannot be given instructions to bypass two-factor authentication. Instead, start by gathering recovery assets you legitimately own. Check your inbox and SMS for recovery messages, locate any stored backup codes, and open the Authenticator app you previously registered. If you used a hardware security key, have it available. Once done, go to the service's official account recovery or security settings. Make sure you are on the real website or app to avoid phishing. This sets up a safe route to restore access. You will follow the platform's recovery flow step by step. Choose "I don't have my code" or similar, then supply an alternate verification method such as a backup code, secondary email, or mobile number. If prompted, provide recent account activity, creation date, or names of contacts to prove ownership. These details verify identity when codes are missing. Once the service confirms you can access security settings. Make sure to use only official channels. Support teams will never ask for passwords in chat. If automated steps don't work, contact the service's verified support. Explain you cannot access two-factor codes and follow their identity verification process. This often includes uploading government ID or confirming account-specific facts. Once support restores access, do not immediately turn off 2FA, reconfigure it with a new app or hardware key, generate and securely save backup codes, and update recovery contact info. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is contact support again and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.